Sunset mo mo sa ano mo. Sa Mexico? Dili. Toronto. Sa Paris. Imong sakyanan yan sa wala nang ganang play. Parang po yan. Galing kami sa St. John, naglaro kami. Pangilan na kayo? Final pa. Sino kalaban nyo? Break. Break. Sino na kayo? Huwag yan. Alan. Lan. Pairam ba sila pula? Pairam sila pula. Sila? Bakit sila pairamin yan? Sila may kasalanan yan. Naka-live ka, oy! Ha? Naka-live ka. Bakit namin yan? Dapat bigyan 2 bola yan. Ay!
I'm 30 and I give you $20 each. Is that down? 38?
Yeah, 38 about.
I'll give you $20 grade.
Hey, Safari, ano bang tawag doon? Universal Safari yata. Toronto yan? Toronto yan? Toronto. Grabe kayo. Dako kayo. Eh, musulod ka silang ito. Magkakyanan na ka. Tuyok na ka. Anan, klaro kayo mga liyon, mga kaslaan. Pero na yung mga nagbantay po kay maagot ka sa katungong buyan, kuyogon ni mo ang sakyanan. Sindot dito ba ito? Bata, lima may bata.
Sa pari nung ato siya na alupin sa Toronto.
African Lion Safari. Ay, mong sakyanan mo. Tuyok mo ka. Tanan kuan. No. African Lion Safari. Cambridge, Ontario. Naon na kami, nag-land trip kami.
Hello, mic test. Good evening. Wala yung first game natin. First game was canceled. So, we are,
Good luck to the finals.
We are going to the second game now. Again, a do-or-die game between the Capital City Ballers and the .5 team. If the Ballers wins the ball game tonight, we will go to game 3. If .5 wins tonight, they're coming straight to the final. So good luck to both teams. And we're just waiting for the referees. Warm up na kayo.
Kulang sila. Magusto. Kalalaro lang nila sa advantage ng Capital Colors.
Third naman pala sila eh.
Kalaban nyo ng mga puti. Last minute kasi yung iba, tinawagan namin yung mga ito. Dapat sana 2 hours kasi sayang yung bayad. Oo, sayang lang. Hindi naman ako captain boat sa kabila, tinutulungan ko na sa akin. Ano mo? Gulong mo. Ayaw nga po na. Bukas. Ano kayo sa ayun na. Gusto ko rin, may na. Hindi, sa ano. Mamalayan ko na. Hindi na. Kung ayaw nyo, nag-usap na kami ni ano, pastor. Pag ayaw nyo tanggapin, kay pastor. Obligation. Anong mag-isip mo na yun?
I'm looking for a driver. No, the burger lady said. Yeah, if you don't mind. How's it going?
Awa ko gusto. Sabi, backup lang kami. Kung anong gusto nyo ipagawa sa amin, backup lang kami. Like, gusto mo magpa-reserve kami na bahala na. Mahal naman siguro kung mga reserve lang. Oo. Of course. Para pag gusto mo lang yung ganito pari, ganap kami ng mga sponsor. Oo. Try ko gusto eh. Dami naman. Dahil katulong ano, nakausap ko yung furniture. Kasi, anong furniture yan sa prospect? Haskins. Nakausap ko din sir, kaso, naka-sponsor na sila sa vision. Sabi ni, yung kausap ko, next year, mag-sponsor sila dito. Hindi mo nalapitan ko. Oo. Lapitan na ano lang. Pwede rin, i-email ko sila na ikaw yung kilala kita para kayo na mag-usap. Kasi ano rin. Kung sakali mo gusto mo na lang sa pari ko, hindi maghanap ko sponsor lang. September na. September pa. Kasi dapat lansado na yan. January, lansado na yan. Para opening na lang. Saka si ano, action store. Lola.
Just waiting for the referees, guys. Just a reminder, point 5 scoreboard is home. Capital City Ballers, scoreboard is yes. Just a reminder, guys.
Yun ang bahala. Saan kayo sa Pwede para maano po? Sino kasama nyo? Ako si Pwede. Susunod ko sila ko rin. Oo. Wala hindi. Paano? Kasi pag hindi nyo tatanggapin, hindi na ano na. Hindi na. Magsisimba. Magsisimba tayo. Hindi na magsisimba yung ito. Eh, ako sabi ko si Pwede. Gusto ka lang para mag- Andun pa sa PIC din. Eh, pagbalik na lang para mag-TV. Nakasulat na sila dito? Nakasulat na? Okay na, tara. Saan ko naman yung mga dito eh. Balay lagi. Saan? Balay. Wala, sabi mo naman puluwag eh. Touch ka na lang. Sige ako dyan. Touch ka na lang. Wala. Ay, ano naman. Hindi na kailangan mo. Parang saan? Final na eh. Wala na eh. Hindi na kailangan ng final na eh. Playoff na eh. Wala ako. Ano? Dito na ako. Wala ka kanila sa point 5. Kaya lang yun. Umaga pa lang. Nag-walping ka. Ingon sila kayo para makancel ba? Daog nila. Wala na nila sister. Sorry na to.
Ato rin, lato.
Also, shoutout muna sa sponsors before everything else. Baka mag-stop ko. Taco Boys Frederickson, Live Alori, Exterior Team, White House Kitchen, care of Boss Jane and RT Poliran, and 812 Morgan Caracat as a head of property to and everyone who came in tonight what they all do. The break for one more referee.
Playoff na eh, final. Season na ay para sa MVP. Kanya, sa finals eh. Final, MVP. Yan! Nag-one ba ka? Nag-detailing ka pa? Wala na? Bakit? May online class pa ako eh. Eh, tinatapos ko pa eh. Uwi ako Pinas na yun. Punta na ako kina Rafael. Okay, okay. Nag-one ba sa Rafael? Oh, detailing ba sila? Tama na.
Ginto ko, di ba? Tapos pag narami sila, maintain mo yung waiting yung century. Meron yung baseball din eh. Diyan din yung baseball. Hindi kasi tangin na kasi yung wing niya. That's the hindi mo dapat sila makikita
Lalit yung ano nila.
Bakit sa pop-up niya eh? Sa pop-up niya eh. Nakaulap ko si Bob. Kita ko kanina sa akala hindi ako pumunta kasi akala ko sa maraming lang sana. Kaya na pala pareho sila nila. Bakit wala pa silang baby? Pwede kunin yung ano parang mas mailang.
Oh.
5 minutes warm up, 5 minutes warm up, guys. 5 minutes warm up.
Anong maaga? Like 5? Di ba?
5 minutes warm up, 5 minutes warm up. And just a reminder to both teams,
Pero,
as usual, the cricket team,
kaya nga
competitive
dapat,
team, and
ganado na kasi
please respect our representation and of course, we are all brothers and sisters. So, just enjoy the game, guys. And to everyone who, and all the spectators who came in with their kids,
mas move.
please attend to your kids, guys. Please attend to your kids, especially if there's a live ball, to prevent any accident. Ambulance is not service.
Kung makakuha kayo ng...
Enjoy the game, guys. Good luck to both teams.
Hindi, mga team, kung sino kasali. Outside? Outside? I'll go this way. The first game is default.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah,
Yeah.
call and email me. So in 2 weeks' time, only one game.
Yeah.
Depending on this.
Yes.
Or not.
I will.
Or you may, or you have to start playing back earlier, bring the championship earlier, or
I will take that game.
because rather than taking 2 weeks off, 'cause
Yeah.
that's what you would have otherwise potentially.
Yeah.
Which team won last time between these two?
So if this will lose, then
Okay, so they won last time.
Yeah.
So, okay.
anyway, either way, I guess I will say
Yeah. So wait on your end, let me know. But I didn't know if you would actually take. I was surprised in one sense you were going to take next week off since the whole league goes
Yeah,
back,
yeah.
or but taking 2 weeks off seems a bit. It's a long break.
Yeah, I know. I did suffer.
Yeah.
Okay lang, mata-mata.
Got it wrapped up and it frees you guys. That's good. So, yeah. Yeah, I think it's ready.
Sige nga kasi liba-liba.
Yeah, but it's all right. I'm ready whenever. Yeah. You ready? Yeah, whenever. Ready?
Okay, guys! First five! 5-5! Capital City Ballers!
Get a ball.
Good luck to both teams! Good luck to both teams! Good luck to both teams! Yusin mo ba ito? Good luck to both teams!
Gawin kitang moderator para maka-post ka, maka-edit ka.
Let's go!
Okay. Commissioner yan. Hey,
Reminder!
tulungan mo siya next year.
Patingin-tingin na sa mga Julamics natin, ha? Let's go! Ang contribution! Game 2 playoff! Let's go!
Wala naman. Good luck, good luck.
Yes, sir! Let's go!
Sinong home? 0.5 home.
0.5 home and Capital City Ballers, yes, scoreboard. Mark, Jared, Marzi, sige, Ben, supply, rebound, Mark. Wala sir, wala sponsor. Oy, muntik ka wala. Makita, si Marzi. Mark, muntik ka suto. Mark, nakita. Ang kasa, Ben, di ba yung ano? Mark! Ang pangit ng bola. Kung reklamo ka pa, bakit ang bola? Mark! Dalawang isip sa likod! Kamina! Tumira! Labang lang isa, 0.5. Malayo pa yan. Try kung may pangyari. Pwede yung baha, magwali. Popoy! Popoy na kulot! Popoy tumira! Popoy! Sakay! Ben! Rebound! Ben! Marzi! Sinasa ko pa!
Mainit.
More! Straight from White House! Alan, tumira! Alan! Jared, rebound! Jared, let's go! Oh, matapit! Pero, the ball will go to, the goal team. Take shot! Laban ng dalawa parehas 0.5. Kaya naman si Marzi bigay. Marzi ka na lang! Marzi! Oh, tama!
Repere mo yung maka-adjust ng ano. Vlog na.
Tumira! Yes! Great! Si Marzi! Layo ang dalawa na depensa ng bowlers. Reverse personal foul, first foul. Why ang dalawa na depensa ng bowlers? Mark. Mark, naman kaya tatlo ang bowlers. Mark, pinigay na Popoy. Popoy, Marcado. Popoy, pinigay kay Ben. Popoy, pinagaw.
Referee ang mag-adjust. Nasa kanila.
Stop. Substitution.
Nasa kanila. Sila yung mag-adjust.
Jason, the first special foul.
So, ang Renato.
Ben, dalawa po nila. Yes, sir, Ben.
Di na sila. Sila na mag-adjust. Pwede man mo table time out. Pag time out mo.
Marvin! Marvin! Uy! Sayang! Papasok ka na! Nabakal ka na! Yari! Tuloy-tuloy! Ay! Buwan ka!
9.
Yan ang first personal foul! 30 foul! 30 foul! That's what the orders. Yari, possible 3.3. Ang ganda ng depensa ng pareho. Sabay!
Bawal yun. Bawal.
Uy, reset mo, oh. Oh, balik na, Jason! Jason, papakit agad!
Kasi nagpapalip na si Adam.
Jason, Jared, binigay kay Papoy, binigay kay Papoy. Oy, sabiling ba Alan, oy! Ang ganda ng depensa ni Mark doon. Straight from my hand.
Stop.
Sabi mo dyan! John going in for Ben. 3 minutes 45 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Ang ganda ng tigaya ng pareho. Jared, tumira. Uy, kay Marvin! Alam na din! Marvin! 2 points. 2 point lead na naman ang 0.5. Alan, kahit mapapagahan. Alan, Rosiano! Alan, Asen! Sinagoy na power pa! Jared, the first personal foul, first big foul.
Jump.
Jump, first personal, first big foul, 45. Alan, binigay kay Jason! Ay, traveling violation pala. Gold na naman, nalala turnover by the coach. Lamang pa rin ang dalawa ang 0.5. Mark, ay Jared, matake, Jared, pinatake. Parang gold, pinatake. Going strong, Popoy. Lamang pa lang apat ang 0.5. Double team, Alan, kahit pa ba lahat? Uy, buti na po ano number 69, double team. Number 69 na pinali, Alan, pumeke, Alan, tumira. Alan, paho! Ang ganda talaga ng bigaya ng parehong team.
Oo.
Lamang ng dalawa naman lamang. Alright, ito si Papa! Mark, hindi ba nila naman si Papa? Pero sa kaya hindi na naman foul. Oy, foul!
Stop. Mark. White 15.
Popoy, first personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul, 0.5.
Yung nagpapalinga na yun.
John, inbounding. Alan. to Jason. Jason.
Oh.
Guarded by Marvin. Jason with the three. Jason at the mark. And the hole will go to the 95 team.
Babayaran mo yan eh.
2 points. Coy, jump pass to Marvin. Nice shot. What a pass from Marvin. 2 points for Marvin. 25 still leading by 4 points. 4-point lead again. 69. To Allen. Allen with the fake. Allen with the shot. Allen. Oh, nice. Akala nyo ba't mo pasukin? Galing! Goal again! To the right team! Last shot, oh! Jason with the break! No basket. Without more than 5, what a play by both teams! 0.5 just leading by 2 points.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports event. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor.
Let's go!
We have 1.3 team.
2 points din nangyari. Ano pwede nangyari? Wala pa nga. Hindi na pala kung umagan.
Hindi kaya naman nagpapaligatan. Sabili.
Mark! Ay! Ganito! Ganito! Jared! Wala! Baby! Dito! Tabla na tayo! Tabla na! Ganun lang! Koy! Jared! Marvin! Sinubukan pa na! Sinubukan! Koy! Sablay! Legal Jayas! Koy! Nakalusot si Koy! Louie! Nakaharap pa kay Chris! Nagkalituhan! Jared! Popoy! Marvin! Jayan! Marvin! Popoy ulit! Popoy! Ang pangalang! Popoy! Nakapabigla ng 8.5. What a ball game! And just a reminder lang ng mga graphics natin, bantay-bantay na sa pangalan natin, baka pangalan ng bola. Malayo, hospital.
May mga ano.
Si Erwin, may negosyo niya eh.
Mata kayo! Kayo sabay! Yan na lang daw! Yan na lang pumasok! Alice, loving the white bandana. Alice, looking for someone. Louis, God, Jason, Popoy, bounce pass. Sino na Popoy? Defense goal. Stop line. Sino yun? Popoy, stop line. Uy, rebound mo naman. Mark, uy, nakuha ni Popoy. Inatang na ba? 10 in favor of the 25 team. Jason Tumira,
Mabakante tayo.
Red, who's the ball again? Sorry. Thank you. Hindi. Not first team foul. Jason,
Kaya nga pinanalo na namin yun.
Jason, uy, sayang! Uy, nice rebound! Fire! Jump ball! And the ball will go for the white team! Sayang! Papasok na lang, ayaw pa! 9.3 in favor of 0.5. Marvin, nakaharap. Pinigay kay Popoy, wala pa! Popoy, wala pa! Natat kay Popoy! Uy, Marvin! Ay, double dribble! And the ball will go at the goal team. 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Alex! Kumangga! Tumira! Nice hustle by the goal team. Marvin. Tatakita si Popoy. Uy, nabasa! Outplay! Naliwata rin ni Mark! Binigay kay Louis! Louis! First 2 points of the ball game. Marvin, naghahanap ito. Nagkalituhan, lupit na. Nat, naghahanap. Ako na nga lang. Nat! For a 3! Labang na naman ang 10 at 0.5. Alan, binigay kay Jason. Lupit na. Jason! Again! For a 2 points na. 8.8. Natat. Popoy. Ayan na naman si Popoy. Stop. Ay, offensive pa lang. Offensive. Bro. Okay lang. Ako lang yung Popoy. Si Popoy. Dito pala. Oo. Offensive si Popoy. You know, Mark, second personal. Joke Mira, Joke. Apply. Oh, yeah, get it. Oh, that was the Dr. Whitey. Louis. Substitution, Chris, John coming in for Louis. And, 0.5 still leading by 8 points. 4 points. To Joe, binigay kay Popoy. Popoy, we got reverse! 4 points na lang! 4 points! 4 points! The answer!
Mainit.
8 points! 4 points! Jason Domingo! Jason ano? Jason, nakahanap! Jason Domingo! Nakulong si Jason! 2 points, Gabriel! Wala, Popoy, sige! The ball will go back to the goal team. John, 69. And a foul. Okay, first personal, 13 foul, 0.5.
Ilang team fouls kami? Ilang team fouls?
Third. Jason Tumira, Jason! Uy, sayang! 4 points, double team. Nathan! Uy, dito wala, uy! Nathan, open! Pinasa! Ay, Jog! Wala, sayang! The ball will go to the goal team. Nice defense by the goal team. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 0.5 still leading by 10. Fire up! Mark, bounce pass, 69. Warning for penalty, 0.5, Joel, second personal goal.
Honesty na lang, wala nang foul, ha? Penalty tayo.
Jason, Miniscate, Jason Tumira, Jason, wala! Jason, wala! Jason! Wala pa rin! Joel, wala! O, travel pa na, sorry. Traveling violation, goal. So the ball will remain in the goal team. Mark, bigay kay 69. Tumalaksak! Akoy! Sayang! Jason! Wala pa rin! Double team! And a foul.
Wala pa penalty.
Bilis, sabitin. Time out!
White team with 11 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 10.3, double tayo, 0.5. In favor of 0.5. And again, would like to thank you everyone who came in tonight to support your own team. Thank you. Let's go! Let's finish this. I need the first half. No foul.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout-out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FB. family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Askes. Furniture.
Normal namin yung mga pagkada na yung mga video pa doon. Mga pagkada.
Ay, ano lang naman ito? Libre.
Mga kahit mga question.
Welcome to the 2026 FEL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Wala dito sa summer, close lahat ng phone. So, charge July, August, September, balik na naman dito. Pero maaga na kami dito, tayo na.
Sorry na kwento. Sorry Makwento ako eh. Ano na ba tayo? Ito na ba tayo? Okay! Okay, so Mark!
Paano mo ito galing yan sa?
Hey, foul! 18 First team foul, corners. George Supply. Ang pakalawa. Julius. Oh, foul.
Three.
Topet ko na naman. JC. Topet. Power back guys. First team foul. Jason, apply! Mark, Jared, first personal, second team foul, point
Dapat
5.
body lang.
Labang na 11. Jason, oy, masyado malakas. Topik.
Bakbak this good!
Topik, Jong.
Yung mga corner.
Jared,
Good, good! Ang ganda ng hustle ng ballers! Yes, Kuya Dan.
Pero naman pa rin ang pito ang point 5. Pero ang mga ballers! Let's go, let's go, let's go! 7.3, point 5. Pero natin ang ballers, bumusulubok. Mark, tope, tope! Uy, kapal! Jason, Julius, binigay na si Silay. Masyado ka naman. Baba kayo ng konti, masyado open.
Nakawal!
Tope na naman, binigay kay Jared. Jared, nakahanap. Jared, binigay kay Tope. Binigay kay Mark. Mark, mag-Jared na naman si Silay. Jared, atak! Atak! Marvin! Mark, ayan na si Mark, atake! Mark, nakita! Dito! Ay, sige na pala! First personal win. Second team foul. First personal, second team foul. Capital City Baller, John Golding Otu. Yo!
Daming pansin. Sino nakashot?
Jong.
John,
Bigay!
Go! Yung. Lamang pa rin ang 8 ang 0.5. Pero nandiyan na ang caller, Jason Tumira. Uy! Masyado malakas! Nat-nat!
Tira!
Nat-nat! Ben, kumati! Tuben! Ben! Ben! Uy! Cross! By
Counted!
Paula side. Red, the second personal red, 35. Ben, kumati, bati, Nice defense by Red.
Dumayo.
John coming in for Red. Mark, binigay kay Barbie, naghahanap, binigay kay Jared, binigay kay Ben, sayang! Julius, to John, bounce pass to Jason, Jared, all the way, Jared! Wala! Ben, Ben, wala ka na! Julius, all the way! Wala foul!
Bakbak!
Mark, first personal mark. 1 for penalty. 0.5. Julius for 2 free throw shots. Yes, sir! Julius!
Mama. Let's go!
Seconds na lang ah.
Lamang ng pito, 7.6, 0.5. With the bowler straight out to behind. Mark. To Nat-Nat. Nat-Nat naghahanap. Nat-Nat nakita si Jared. Jared guarded by John. Jared. To Mark. Mark again. Net right out by Mark. Apply. Get in the rebound. Julius by the way. Julius. Jared. Supply. Mark. We are down to the last quarter. 5.3 in favor of 0.5. At the quarter. And again, a quick shout out our sponsor, Taco Boys, Frederick 35 and Lowry, 5,812.55.
Welcome to the 2026 FEL Sports event. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton.
Let's go!
Lima na lang! Last quarter!
Ano mo patutumbaw?
Let's go! Boy! Boy and school. Di ba, Paul? Jason, sabi, boy! 27 holes. Mark, second personal. First team foul, 0.5. Dito lang, John! Uy! John the rebound! And the ball. Nice hustle by John. Nice hustle, John. Nice hustle. Koy! Binigay kay Mark! Binigay kay Marty! Mark! Binigay!
Oh!
Good! Mark on the way! Mark and a foul! Koy! Pinanabasa ko eh. First personal, Koy. Second team foul, 0.5. Both teams have 2 timeouts. Remember, both teams have 2 timeouts.
What's the movement? Sinundan ah.
Grabe, ang napakatahimik. Parang ano.
Sinundan.
Mark.
Saan?
Ay, masyado malakas!
Amen.
The ball will remain in the goal team. The ball will remain in the goal team.
Masih ko idan.
Mark, ayan o, Alan, Jason, Jason, Jason! Matangin! Jason Rimon! Jason Amulog! Ganyan na 69! 69! Uy, nakalusot! Nakalusot! Wala siya! Tatlo na lang! Lewis na lang ng tatlo! Uy, bakit ka naman mali? Mali ka na!
Down 45-39. 45-39.
Tama yan.
Tama yan.
Isa na kasi eh. Di malamang namin. Eh, tama nga.
45-39.
45-39.
Oh, no.
Sino pa? Sino pa?
4539.
69? Oo, 39 kasi. 39. Ito na yung parang. Oh, hindi.
Ano?
Hindi, hindi yung parang. Oo nga, hindi. Hindi na parang.
9.
John.
John Murray.
Third personal, John. First team foul. First team foul. Louis going in for John. First team foul. First team foul. Oh boy! Ayan na.
MVP. Lupoy, MVP.
Oh, boy na naman! Umangat na naman sa walo ang ay... Walo ang naman ng 0.5. Inay! Naghahanap! Naghahanap na ba? Naghahanap! Binigay kay Jason! Jason! Kuya Nick! Jason! Binigay kay Inay! 3 second violation! 3 second violation goal! The ball will go to the right team. 7 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Mark, binigay kay Popoy, Popoy, tama, Popoy, pwede. Popoy, Purina. Popoy, supply. Popoy, pwede, paloy, Jai! Ganda naman! Ang ganda naman nun!
Alright.
Bye, boy!
For 1.
Magpapasok sila.
Welcome to the 2026 FPL
8.3
Sports
in
event.
favor of Manila
Get ready for an
Five teams have 2 timeouts. One team has 1 timeout left. And again, big shout out to our sponsors, Soccer Boys, Live Alomi, Vice Captain, Chicken, no problem, 6 minutes, 28 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Tapusin natin ito! Tapusin ito mga bata! Tapusin na natin, tapusin ito mga bata! Pagkilang yan, lari tayo lahat. Popoy! Sige kay Jared! Jared! Nakaharap siya rin! Popoy! Popoy! Wala! Louie with the rebound! Julius! Julius pumihit! Julius! Julius! Nakawala! Julius! Thanks for catching Mark! Technical call on Mark! Jason! One shot, plus possession.
41.
Jason, ay si Julius pala. Julius! Mark! Mark! Mark dito! Offside! That's what you call a blind pass. Wala nakakita. Wala nakakita. Supply ang tingnan nila na. Julius! Julius! Julius again! Julius ako wala! And a foul!
White 28.
Waiting for penalty, point 5. Third personal, not Julius going for 2 free throw shots. Oh, sayang!
Alin? Ito? Hindi na yan. Mayo na.
Oy, sayang!
Lamang
Crucial free throw shot. Sana yun, oh! Jared! Sige kay Marvin. Marvin! Ayun nakita si Mark! Kumeke! Mark! Kumeke! Shot! Very good! Jason! Oh! Jason! What a shot!
44.
Penalty na sila, Marvin, second personal. Jason, possible 3-point play. Yes, sir! And that 3-point play is brought to you by the wives of the water.
Ilang time out pa kami?
Ay! Ay! Mark! Mark! Oh, nataw! Ay, traveling pala! Traveling violation! Labang nagwalo! Jared! Umangat! Jared! Tumira! Jared! Balik ka naman! Nasampo ang lamang ng bowlers! 69! 69 yung atake! 69! Oy! What a shot! Napakadali na basketball para kay number 69. Masi! Basta 7-point lead. Sorry, 8-point lead. Sorry. And a foul.
Bonus.
Bonus shot. The original penalty. Not 4 personal fouls. Both teams have one timeout left. On. Hey, what a shot. Yes, sir! Substitution! Ben going in for, Sino? Not. Adding the one! 6 minutes, 16 seconds remaining. Popoy! Kumar! To Jared! Popoy! To Mark, what's the other thing? Sablay! Sino ang habulin ni Mark? Pero masyadong mabilis ang bola. Mark, to Jason! Jason! Uy! Ayaw na ang point five. Julius! Stop na tayo.
Yung item.
Jared, second personal foul. Penalty pa rin. Goal team of double timeout. White team has one timeout left. With 3 minutes, 22 seconds remaining. Is the last quarter. Thank you for coming in and thank you for coming in again. And again, thank you for sponsors, Bike Out Kitchen, Samu Boys, Guys and Rory, Inba, Rory Calapan, and equipment rentals, and everyone who came in tonight to support their own team. Thank you for supporting the league. 2 shots, number 69. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Popoy! And a foul! Red first personal. Second team foul.
Nasyado.
Correction, may isang timeout pa goal team ha. Popoy, correction, may isang timeout pa pala goal team. 1 timeout left for goal team. Mark, to do this. Mark.
Twice. Foul. Bonus.
Bonus shot. They already penalty. Marvin, third personal. Go, Papa Mark. Go, Papa Mark. hustle by Jared.
Sayang yung mga free throw.
Jared. 2 points. 4 points. 4 points kay Jared. Jared. Ako na ba? Jared. Jared.
Tumulosok, tuloy-tumbling.
Julius! Uy! Tumusok pa ako! Jared!
Bak.
2 minutes remaining. 2 seconds remaining. The ball will remain with the white team. On 11-point lead. Mark. James on the rebound. James on the ball.
Tawid mo lang. Ayan, may mismatch kay Popoy, ha? May mismatch kay Popoy.
Jared, to bench, bench to Mangat. Nice defense by Jared.
Ingat lang sa foul, ha?
Julius. Jason! Ayaw talaga. 4 points. Jared again. Julius! Ayaw po. Mark. Marty. Ben nakita. Ben! And a foul. Foul ba? Ano foul? Nice defense. Popoy, binigay kay Mark. Uy! Nice hustle by 69.
Bro, bigay!
11 na.
Wala na yan.
Wala ba sila pera?
Congrats.
Kaya dalawang point na mag-champion.
No shot.
No shot. Possession, only possession. 13 foul, Ballers. Mark. Martin, Ben, with a shot.
Tusok talaga to si Ben.
Napakadali yung basketball kay Ben. Julius with a 3. Sayang. 69.
Wala ata si Mancho nakaraang last week, eh.
Mark. Julius with a fake. Julius! Oh, nice hustle by Jason. And that is the end of the ball game! Nice game by the Ballers! 0.5 and goes straight to the final. Nice game. Great game by the team.
1.5.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Hello.